All right, today I'm going to share a tip that I am really excited about. It's about using LinkedIn meetings through LinkedIn messaging on LinkedIn. So you go to your homepage and you can either search for someone you want to send a video meeting with or set up a video meeting with, or you could click on messaging. As you can see, I just connected with Tiffany Penton. So I sent her a message and LinkedIn is prompting me to create a video meeting with her. So if I clicked on create video meeting, I could send her an instant meeting, or I could schedule meeting for later. So I could put a start and date and time. I could decide on the duration. So you can do, as you can see from here, you can do up to 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's so actually a total of 4 hours, because so if I did 3 hours, so that's the duration, not 4 hours. LinkedIn allows you to do up to 3 hours, 30 minutes, and I could do the start date and end time. Let's see how much in the future you can. It looks like LinkedIn lets you go way into the future with setting up a meeting, which is interesting, right? So let's go back. And then you can also select a different provider. You can do it on Zoom, or you can do it on Microsoft Teams. So that's really useful. The things to keep in mind are you can only do a LinkedIn meeting through messaging with someone who's your first degree connection. You can only do it with one person. And when you do the meeting, it's really like a Zoom meeting. You can turn off the video and just make it an audio meeting. You can leave the meeting at any time. You cannot record the meeting. And again, as I said, you can do a meeting up to 3 hours, 30 minutes. When I looked it up, it's interesting. When I did like a search on LinkedIn, it said up to 4 hours, but looks like it's only 3 hours, 30 minutes. But it's a great way of, just doing it right on the platform. You don't have to send them a Zoom link. You can do an instant meeting. Maybe you connect with someone and they say, let's connect right now. So I really love it. And I've also used it just for audio when I don't want to have the video on, and I'm on a walk or in the car, and again, not driving, but if I'm in the passenger seat and I want to have a quick meeting, I could do an audio meeting as well. So hopefully you found this helpful, and if you ever want to do a LinkedIn meeting with me to test it out, just send me a message, connect with me on LinkedIn. Remember, I have to be a first degree connection, and we can test it out together. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon when I share my next LinkedIn tip. Bye.